Hello friends, welcome to Samayal Darbar. Today I am going to show you how to make a 3-layered rasamalai cake which is very soft and spongy and tastes yummy. So for that I have taken 1 1/4 cup of plain flour and a pinch of saffron. So in a pinch of saffron add 2 tablespoons of milk and keep it aside. So in a vessel I am taking half cup of oil, half a cup of condensed milk, and I am going to mix it together. Both the oil and condensed milk should blend together. Now in a sieve I am going to add 1 1/4 cup of plain flour or maida, and then half a cup of powdered sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now I am going to sieve it together. Sieve it from the top of the vessel, and then so that air can go inside and the cake will become fluffy. Now cut and fold the flour into the wet ingredients. Now I am going to add milk, half a cup of milk, and then cut and fold and mix it together nicely. And then after that I am going to add the saffron milk which we prepared earlier, and then I am going to cut and fold now. Now the batter is ready. Now I am going to grease a 7-inch pan with butter, and then I am going to pour the batter fully into the cake pan, and then I am going to tap it nicely so that air bubbles get released. Now I am going to preheat an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now I am going to keep it in the middle of the oven, keep the cake pan in the middle of the oven and bake it for around 180 degrees Celsius at around 30 minutes. Now let the cake cool down. See how bouncy, how spongy it is. Now the cake is ready. Now we will prepare the frosting. I have taken 1 cup of whipping cream and I am going to beat it nicely with a steel spoon. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of rasamalai milk with the frosting, and then I am going to whip it nicely. Also I am going to add yellow food color, a few drops. This is totally optional. If you don't need, you can just skip it off. Now after that I am going to beat it continuously so that the frosting should not come out of the spoon. It should be like this. This is the correct stage, correct consistency. You have to stop whipping now, and I will show you how to make the frosting in a cake. So in a cake board I am just applying a small amount of whipping cream so that the cake will not move. Now I am going to cut it into half. See how nicely the sponge is. Now in the other half I am just pouring the rasamalai milk so that the cake will become moist, and then I am going to spread the frosting evenly, and then I am going to pinch a small rasamalai and keep it as a stuffing, and then I am going to keep another layer, and I am repeating the same process, and then the last layer. Now in the last layer again I am going to pour the rasamalai milk so that the cake will be moist, and then I am going to spread the frosting evenly like this. Now I am going to keep this in fridge for 1 hour, and again I am going to do the rosettes. Now the cake is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.